Ay guys, ito na po yung aming nilagang baka. Ayan guys, nilagang baka po yan guys. Super lambot, naka-pressure cooker po yan guys. Tapos, meron kaming paksiw guys, paksiw. Guys. Paksiw guys na binalot sa dahon ng saging guys. Yan guys. Yan guys. Tapos guys, mayroon kaming biko guys. Ayan guys. Biko. Ayan guys. Biko po yan ha. Meron po kaming mangga guys. Balik tayo sa nilaga guys. Ayan. Diba? Napakalinamnam. Napakasarap guys. Dahil 2 araw tayong walang pasok guys. Ayan guys. Happy Halloween guys. Happy Holy Week tayo guys. Holy Week pala guys. Kala ko Holy Week ngayon guys. Ayun guys. Ooh, yummy yummy. May buto yun to guys. May buto to sa ilalim guys. Di lang makita. Tikman natin yan sabaw guys kung pamatay ang lasa. Ang sarap guys. Okay guys, kain na kami. Bye bye.